Morning everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have an Ameritron Al572. Soft start relay failed in this. I worked on it a while back, and the customer is using it. He had an issue with the soft start, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Ameritron no longer sells the relay they used on this board. They now supply a different board, and that board has a smaller relay on it. So what I do is, instead of spending money on a whole nother board and having to replace the whole board, I retrofit a larger relay rated for more current. Same coil voltage, which is 12 volts DC, but I end up using this because the one that they use, the current rating, over time, it's really not, there's really no headroom to it, so over time they fail. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I will show you the completed amplifier when it's all done. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed amplifier. You can see the relay's been installed. Wires all zip tied. I have a test lead jumping the interlock for the top cover. Don't do this unless you know what you're doing. It's very dangerous. You will not get a second chance with this. Very, very dangerous. So I will turn it on. Let's see. She is working. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. My website's AmpRepairGuy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Take care.